In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can invite and play with friends here on Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to do is obviously have Forza Horizon 6 opened up, and you need to go ahead and open up the little main menu section. Let me pull over real quick. Essentially, just go ahead and pause, and you need to navigate over to this online tab right here, and you're going to see a bunch of different stuff on here. You need to look for the social section. Go ahead and select social. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this, and you'll see your friends list in here if you just tab over to the friends list section right over here. You can also check recent players from this menu, but it's completely up to you. But on here, your Xbox friends will show if you're on Xbox, and Steam friends should appear if you're playing through Steam. You can also check those recent players one more time. But to play together, what you need to do is select someone and just hover over them and hit, invite to convoy on there. And of course, once that, it's going to create that convoy for you. And after that convoy is created, you just have to select manage convoy and you can invite them again and just keep spam inviting them until they join. But that's the full process right here. It really is that simple. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.